enjoying the Jack on the Go show.
Okay, so let's first talk about the McNuggets. We got the kids meal because that was the smallest McNuggets we could order. Came in a 4-piece, about a $5 box. Okay, those were, how much were those? $4 and change for just the boneless buffalo wings. So you guys can kind of guesstimate how much. We got 6 pieces in there, 4 pieces in there, $5 for that, but you got a drink. It was a combo, a Happy Meal. And this one was all by itself, $5. Just step back a little bit. We're here, well, it's getting close. This is the McDonald's nugget, okay? We've all seen those, we all grew up on those. And the argument was, these are chicken nuggets, maybe not McDonald's nuggets, but these are just chicken nuggets with sauce, and they call them boneless buffalo wings. And a lot of places charge a premium for this. When you can get like 50 of these nuggets at Wendy's for like $10. But these, for $10, you probably get like 20 of these or 10 of these. So we're going to get rid of the sauce and take a look at the meat. Okay, the first surprise is how well I couldn't wash the sauce off that. It just absorbed right into the batter. How well it took to the sauce. We got both of them side by side. That's the boneless buffalo wing from Arby's. That's the chicken McNugget, which are all kind of shaped the same, from McDonald's. So let's cut them in half, see what the meat looks like inside. I don't know, it kind of looks formatted, pressed together and all that. This looks a little more natural. So this looks a little more real. Who knows? Not sure anymore. But if you look at them, those are both chicken nuggets. And that's the claim I wanted to make on video. All they're doing is taking chicken nuggets, rolling it in some sauce, and calling it a boneless buffalo wing and charging a premium at restaurants. You guys can decide, but the discussion was, is that a chicken nugget and sauce? And are they wrong for calling it boneless buffalo wings? Or boneless chicken wings, whatever. Anyway, that's the only reason why I did this video, was to show you guys, but you decide.